All right, Lego Fanatics, we're back. We're gonna try to do this. So I'm gonna read my directions here and see if I can figure this out. So I need one of these, and one of these. That's gonna go on there like that, as you can see. And then I need, so I need one of these right here, like that. Okay. And I need one of these blue clear, like this. And that is going to go right like this. Yep. And then I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to put it here. And then this is going to go how? Oh, okay. So this is going to go like this. I think I did something wrong here. Hang on. Let me see what I did wrong. So I've got that. Got that. Ah. That's what I did wrong. There we go. Needs to be back a little bit more. Now it'll probably fit just right. Yep, look at that. See? Ta-da. All right, so I have to do this 16 more times, so I will entertain this for a few minutes. Basically, I'm just redoing what I've got in front of me. This goes here, like that. Got like this. This goes here like that. And this goes. Oops. I'm just going to be dropping stuff today. All right. And this goes here. And that goes like that. Bingo. Okay, so just keep going like that, and like that. I'm going to put this here like that. This is going to go like this, and that's going to go like that. I'm just going to keep going all the way around. So just like that. Yeah, to fix that little bit of a design flaw. Keep going. This, and one of these, right, like that. Darn it. And I'm gonna put one of these little blue light deals over here on this, and put it like that. And then like that. And then hopefully it doesn't do that. That's okay. I need to put it on like this and then go. There we go. That's better. Like that. All right. So let's see where I am on time. Okay. So I'm going to build the rest of this just to give you an idea, and I'll straighten out some of these things that are in here because this looks a little wonky. But that's okay because I can straighten it out. Make it look good, if you will. But yeah, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.